In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your featured section on your LinkedIn profile. If you want to highlight your best work, share important links, or make your profile look more complete and professional, the featured section is a great tool to use. It helps draw attention to content you want other people to notice first, such as documents, images, articles, or external links. The good news is that adding it to your profile is very quick and simple. To get started, log into LinkedIn and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Me menu and then choose View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where you can edit and customize different sections. Once you're on your profile, look for the Add Section button. Click that and a menu will appear with different profile section options. From there, go to the recommended category and select Add Featured. This is the option that allows you to create a dedicated area on your profile for content you want to showcase. After the featured section opens, look for the plus icon in the top right area of that section. Click on it to start adding the content you want to feature on your profile. LinkedIn gives you a few different content types you can include here, such as documents, images, links, and articles. This gives you flexibility depending on what you want visitors to see. For example, if you want to highlight a portfolio sample, a presentation, a personal website, a published article, or a project image. This is where you would add it. Choose the type of content that fits best, then follow the prompts to upload or insert it. It's a good idea to make sure whatever you add is relevant, polished, and supports the professional image you want your profile to communicate. As you build this section, think about what would be most valuable for recruiters, clients, or professional connections to see. The featured section sits in a visible part of your profile so it can make a strong first impression when used well. And that's all there is to it. Once you've added your content, your featured section will appear on your LinkedIn profile and help showcase your work more effectively. If you want, you can always come back later to update it, remove items, or add new ones as your experience grows.